Ready? Get your bells. Now come to Mama.
1,
Good
2,
girl.
3, 4,
There
5,
you go, keep going.
7, 8. Give her a big hug. Oh, wow.
Yeah. You want to go to Dada?
Who's a toddler? Come to me. Come on.
Come to Dada.
Ready?
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Come on.
1, 2.
Oh, you got a little
Three,
crab
four,
walk going
5.
on.
You.
That's okay. Wow. Clap your hands. Baby girl can walk.
Look at the look. She's like, I'm not so sure.
Come here.
Whoa. Oh. I need some confident steps, Mom. This is a big thing for me. Yes, I'm walking all on my own.
Come on. Find the Mama. Don't circle Dada.
You want a big hug? Oh, yeah. Daddy girl.
Yeah. Come here.
Come here. Oh. She's like,
No
well,
way.
I'm not so sure on the balance.
You're very off balance right now.
Oh.
That was some good job, Mrs. That was some good job. Now I'm crawling because I know how to do that. I'm gonna come get you. Get going.
You want to stand up? Come on up. Didn't get her stand up.
No,
She's like,
she
nah,
thinks I'm chasing her.
I'm out of here.
You want to stand up? Okay, ready? You don't need Mama. We'll get you over this bump. And then we're going to let go, okay?
Ready?
There you go. There. Whee!
She's like, yeah, and how about if I run this way? Let's practice me running away from you.
Yeah, that's going to happen, eh?
Bye. You coming back?
Go see him.
Hi. You coming to Dada? Come on. You got it.
That was very good.
Now I'm going to go get you. See how much faster I can crawl?
Oh, baby girl. Isn't that crazy?
Well, she's a toddler now. It's official. Lock your cupboards. Hide your valuables.
You claw your cat.
Well, I guess that's it.